Hey now, this is a certified hood classic.
Boner.
All rise. Order in the court. Creed has shit in his throat. In his throat.
I thought you were going to say something else. I was like, oh, take the day off if you're having that issue. No need to be here for that.
Today is Friday, and it is important because Florida.
Because it's Friday the 13th, Creed. That's right.
That's right. Lucky number 13 for Creed.
Lucky number 13, and also the lucky number for the monetary monorail today.
I like that.
We've gotten lucky already. We've got Judge Vann, who we do not get hardly ever anymore because if you don't catch them doing them live, you don't see them at all. So luckily, caught him live. Got about 25 minutes of his antics this morning, and well, that's what we're going to enjoy together. And if you're new here, say hello because I know there are a lot of you. Creed, I think we'll hit 69 today.
69. So our party will be Saturday night at 8:00 watching Slap Fight. Then.
Slap Fight Championship tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Eastern. If you're not a member over on Credence and Mikey, maybe it's time to go over there, subscribe. You don't have to be a member to watch, but it'd be great if you were.
Yeah, because we got members only also later after Florida Friday we got to chase.
Wow, it sounds like we had a really busy weekend.
I think we do.
33 months a member?
Great.
My goodness. I mean, that's got to be an OG, right?
This is an OG call.
Agreed. Yeah, busy weekend. Plus, Creed doubling down on the flea market. So.
Double flea market.
You can do outside of that. Mr. Brown, you're for the court on a violation of probation for grand theft charge and for a judge register. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, if you do qualify, you go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. So you have an attorney now. Judge Register, in his infinite wisdom, it pains me to say that. You held without bond. Your court date is October the 16th at 9:00. Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you.
He's got a hell of a voice. There.
I'm out of here. See you later. Take care.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Say your name.
Fernandez Rodolfo.
Mr. Rodolfo, you're for the
Beautiful.
court. Out of county warrant out of St. Lucie County.
Yes, sir.
For possession of amphetamine and possession of less than 20 grams of marijuana. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
Jeff, thank you for the first monies of the day.
Jeff is first.
Yes, sir. I put it to appear. I was out on bond. I put it to appear, but I turned myself in.
I got
don't
you.
need a bond.
I understand you. You're right.
Did you say I don't need a bond because I turned myself in, basically?
I don't think that's how it works, though. He's kind of confused.
Yeah, I don't think that's the way that it works. Nay, thank you for the 3 beautiful months. It's over 90 days, or right at or somewhere.
Allegedly.
Yeah, they make him look fat.
You're held without bond. We're going to ask the Bay County Sheriff's Office to get you back down to St. Lucie as quickly as possible in 4 weeks.
St. Lucie.
I have a return date of October the 3rd, sir. But you should be long gone by then.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Next step
Mark?
to your right.
Or
Next.
Jody. Or both.
At first, I was going to say Johnny.
Here you go. Say your name.
Is it Johnny? I don't know. Been out of school a long time.
I mean, for the court charge of domestic violence and battery. Do you understand the charge?
Hello.
Do you understand what you're charged with?
Well, okay. Do you understand English,
Give
lady?
copies of paperwork and advise of your rights. Is that true, ma'am?
It's all right.
Is she
Yes,
okay?
no, maybe.
Sorry.
Said yes.
Oh,
Chris, if you do better answering questions in your
That's
interview than
okay.
this lady does, you got the
all right.
job.
Based on
So
her
don't worry about
application,
it.
She makes too
You
much
got it,
to
Chris.
qualify for a public defender, but the law recognizes her financial situation may change, or she's able to hire her own attorney to represent herself. But if
Or like Chris, you might get a job.
she can reapply later.
Good point.
Jeff, your criminal history, Miss Taylor?
No history.
You ever had a job, Miss Taylor?
Pre-trial release, no contact with the alleged victim. Court date's going to be September the 16th at 1:00. She can report to the pre-trial release office after court that day.
All right. Step to your right to the T.
Charlotte's here, I think.
Charlotte's here in spirit, at least.
Next.
She didn't say a word the
Ready?
entire time, right?
Not a single word.
All right. How you
Hey,
doing,
Lynn.
Neil?
Hey.
All right. Your attorney's present in court with us. As well, you're before the court on a violation of injunction against domestic violence.
A lot of women beating people up these days.
Nothing wrong with that.
Equal rights.
That's right. Higgy, welcome. You're making some good choices today. It's a good start to the
What we
day.
got next? Nothing new?
Down, Higgy. Thank you.
I haven't read it.
Randy.
I don't have the injunction, but I mean, all I've got is a comment about, and this is the specific the officer put in, like, comment about the appointment.
Oh, no, he's confused now.
I think so, yeah.
This is the specific comments I made, and I
Thank you,
believe
Higgy.
got contact for purposes of child.
Did you just say a
Well,
child?
The injunction,
Uh-oh.
it says, any orders will be through family court. There is no.
Hi, Bot.
Bot.
Is that unknown Henson there in the middle chair?
And it's injunction.
Maybe.
Well, criminal case Stevenson had, Judge Stevenson had allowed her to have contact with the child and,
With the child.
in the victim's case, which is included. Like,
Okay.
and that's completely more.
Let me see what. Let me see what Judge Stevenson said in his prior.
Right.
You get. I would like to see that.
What I
It's under
argue
documented motion.
is that technically we have probable cause, but in light of all of this, maybe
Motion to modify peaceful contact only.
Is this Walter?
That's what it completely order.
Is Bot 5 our leader?
Wilson. All right.
Maybe.
I'm going to release her on her own recognizance on this. I'm not going to violate bond the other because I do find a conflict. The court date on this case is going to be September 16th.
Thank you, Ron.
Good evening and good night.
Yes.
Step to your right to the T.
Take care.
Hello.
Ready, sir? Here you go.
September
Face the
16th.
TVs.
Right?
Big boy, they call him.
Yep. Did you
Wait,
get
but
that?
on readers.
Did I give you the court date? Miss Fambro. Miss Fambro. Miss Fambro.
He's like,
Hey, you can hear me.
I see here. I would like the spaghetti,
Did I give you the court
sauce
date?
on side.
Yeah, September 16th or
But I
something.
heard it.
Okay.
Is Judge all right today? God bless.
It's
State your name.
Friday.
You chose violence today,
I love you too, Bigfoot.
and I'm here for it. Thank you.
I know, right? But they're all good today, so we're gonna keep it that way.
Damn, everybody's drunk over there.
It's Florida, Mikey. It's Friday. Doesn't matter if it's Friday morning or not. It's Friday.
By the way,
2 count.
I think Bruno sent us 5 bones in the Cash App.
Not confirmed. Thank you. Cash App money is amazing.
And late fees are awesome.
Happy Friday the 13th to you as well.
Get ready for a very Friday the 13th-esque members only. Make sure you're there. Put on your conspiracy hats and your tin foils if you have them.
We're going to find out about other countries' toilets, I think.
Battery. Do you understand the charges?
Oh, no, that was last week.
That was last week.
I'm trying to repeat the
You
last
understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I've no.
Just answer.
No, not exactly.
Oh, shit.
The
Here we
charge
go.
of pressing people against their will.
Oh,
2 juveniles.
oh.
What part do you not understand?
Now I understand you. I didn't know it was 2 juveniles. Go ahead.
I understand you've been given
What?
copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true.
Good luck with all that, Terry. That's
Yes.
awful. I've seen.
Based on your application,
Stuff.
you make too much money to qualify for a public defender, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply later. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney or represent yourself. Any questions about these options?
No.
Jeff, the criminal history?
He only shows a harboring in 05 and that's it.
Harboring.
Bond set at 15,000 on count 1,
the hell is
15,000 on count 2. No contact directly.
I think that's when you boat, you need to put it up,
under the age of 18.
bring it
Well, that
in,
was
you
illegal.
harbor it.
Glad I've never harbored a
September
boat.
16th at 1 o'clock.
Right, step to your right to the T.
This guy may be a vampire. Oh,
Next.
thank you, Bruno.
That
Thank you.
made me laugh yesterday.
State your name, ma'am.
Methany.
Ms. Wood, you're before the court on a violation of pretrial release for possession of oxycodone and marijuana.
Oh, no.
In front of Judge Register. You understand those charges?
You're doing great, Bot. Thank you.
You're hired.
Do you understand why you're here?
Yes.
Judge Register has revoked your bond, held you without. Your court date is November the 12th at 9 o'clock. November 12th.
November
Judges don't work for 2 months? Holy cow.
Well, step to your right to the T.
No. If appointed, I
Step
would.
to your right to the T. All of that.
She's going to be in jail for a while if she don't make bond.
Next.
Yeah.
Red X, ma'am. State your name.
Ugh. Watching Tua go down last night, Jay, was awful.
Resisting officer without violence. Do you understand the charges?
Hi, Joan.
Good to see you, Joan.
I understand you give copies of paperwork and advise of your rights. That's true, ma'am?
Got a copy of your paperwork where you advised of your rights today.
Why are you leaving? Nightbot already left us. We don't need Bot 5 leaving us.
Yourself. Is that how you proceed?
Offered a job to him and he left.
What brings you over here for Thibodeau?
Softball.
Oh, love it. Yes.
Love it.
Well, I was born in the South. I was born in New York, so
Yes, that's
Take-
why. Yeah, I'm glad you noticed. Slightly.
Right.
Music, how long you been
All right,
around?
man.
You've been around here a long time. You figuring that out?
First
One
day
o'clock,
music.
I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Step to your right. to the T.
I
When
know
the
the
green
damn
light
judge
comes
hasn't
on
stopped
time.
talking the whole time.
Next.
He's got a mouth on him.
Fucking judge will shut up.
Red X. State your name.
Young, for the court charge of domestic
There you go.
violence and battery. You understand the charge?
Another domestic violence. They are on it today.
Yeah, Thursday night, fight night in Florida.
I
You
understand
didn't
you've
know
been
that?
giving copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true?
Yes.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent
check
you.
again.
How about
No.
She's so soft-spoken. I don't think she beats ass. Then.
She was just put on PTI for a felony battery. She also just resolved in a fray, and she has a juvenile battery in 22.
She beat the shit out of a kid. Is that what it, or,
Oh, I hope
she was
not.
a juvenile.
That would be
She was
different.
a never mind. She was a juvenile,
that?
and she got into a fight.
Bond set at 5,000. No contact with the alleged victim. Court date September.
Bruno with another 5 bones in the cash app. Happy birthday, Mikey.
That's a birthday money for Mike.
Next. Red X, ma'am.
Joey,
State your name.
bag of donuts. Speaking of bags of donuts, one just entered.
Driving license suspended
Thank you.
revoked. It's a habitual offender. You understand the charge, ma'am?
Yes.
I understand you've been giving copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes.
You've indicated you're going to hire an attorney or represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
Yes.
Deputy, come back.
She actually shows no history on my side.
He just said she's habitual for driving.
She said
Court
nothing.
date's going to be
Not
October the 7th at 9 o'clock.
One of the main channel, Joey. Thank you.
Office
What a blessing.
for
Someone
9
else
o'clock
getting
on
in free.
Tuesday, October the 17th.
Tonight, 5:30 East for main
Step to your
channel.
right to the T. Next. Red X, ma'am. State your name.
Casey Ross.
Mr. Ross, before the court charge, driving under the influence with serious bodily injury and leaving the scene of an accident with serious bodily injury. You understand the charges?
Yes.
I understand you've been giving copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, ma'am.
That's
Based on
from
your application,
years
finding
of
you
radio.
qualify, I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you.
Listen, it is Friday.
about that?
Don't.
No.
Just go.
Yeah, criminal history.
No history.
Just
Go on.
move on to the next. There's other things on
Mhm.
YouTube. I promise you. There's a lot less talking. I can't control how much the judge talks. I'm sorry.
On the DUI was
When we do a live, it's like this. When we don't do a live, it's not like this. So
Right. Go watch the other fucking videos.
Court date's gonna be
It's
October
understand.
21st at 9 o'clock.
Friday.
No alcohol.
Don't do this on a Friday. Come back on
No,
Monday.
50-50.
Monday's fine. Friday, not so good.
Thank you.
Hello,
Step to your
Fluffy.
right.
Fluff.
Next. Red X, ma'am, and state your name.
Mr. Pansky, you're before the court on a violation of probation. You've been ordered held without bond. Your court date's gonna be October.
I'm not using mine right now.
9 o'clock. Look now.
All right, step to your right. Next. Red X, ma'am. State your name.
Leslie Blanchard.
Ms. Blanchard, before the court charged of violation of probation for felony cases in front of Judge Clark. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I don't,
All right,
again,
ma'am.
I don't
Based
know
on your
what to tell
application,
you.
do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender
I get it.
represent you.
I'm going to send one of these Florida girls after you to
Judge
beat the
Clark,
shit
in
out
his
of
infinite
you.
wisdom and glorious hair, is glorious.
He cut it.
He's coming back. I saw him yesterday. It's growing back just as fast as it can. That magnificent mane is coming back. Without bond, 4 days, October the 23rd.
Magnificent
at 9 o'clock.
mane.
If I could grow hair
Step
like
to your
that,
right.
I'd never, ever cut it. Be like Samson.
Imagine the amount of fights that's going to go on
Next.
if
Well,
they don't
to
get
be fair,
bonded
he
out
ain't-
to
he ain't
them.
really
Got to
cut
move
it.
these women along. They love to fight.
State
She a
your
fighter?
name.
Another fighter, you know it.
He did cut it, did he?
She looks like she just
He
was
did not.
tussling.
Ms. Curry, you're before the court on an Allen County warrant. It's a Monroe County, Florida, for failing to appear.
Good, she'll have you.
Judge Kelly has requested the honor of your presence. We're going to hold you for Monroe County, ask the Bay County Sheriff's Office to coordinate your transport back down there October 3rd.
You guys are mean.
October 3rd is going to be the return
Jerks.
date.
I came in here and said shit about your channel.
I come in here and I talk so much shit about you,
Like a
and I can't
fucking
believe you didn't love me.
I can't believe that you be such jerks to me. I do you
dare you.
understand? We do this with hundreds of people. I mean, it's like it's just I don't know what to tell you. Just, some people
It's-
enjoy it, some people don't.
Creed.
You don't. Oh,
It's Friday the 13th.
bye.
She is our jinx.
Is
Now
that a
we-
she? I don't even know. I can't even tell. I thought that was a man.
Oh, is that a? Huh. Well, I couldn't tell, Keith. If it is a man, I didn't mean to call you a she.
Nah.
If you're a woman, I nailed it.
Hey, yeah, beautiful hair.
Oh, Julie.
Julie, good to see you.
All right, step to your right to the T.
Mayor.
Next. Brett X, sir. State your name.
Kevin Hooks.
Mr. Hooks, you're before the court on a failure to comply for a series of delinquency of a minor in front of Judge Grammer. You understand that,
No.
sir?
Uh-oh.
Yes, sir.
You've been sentenced to 1 day in the Bay County Jail. I'm sentencing you to 1 day in the Bay County Jail.
Ouch.
Spent last night.
Yes, sir.
Guess you're
Okay.
free to go.
Judge Grammer's sentence has been executed, I guess.
A heavy sentence.
Oh,
To your
Mr.
right.
One whole day.
I bet he learned his lesson. He'll
Yes.
never do that again.
Yeah.
Next.
And he got a free breakfast.
That's a good point. Maybe
State your name.
dinner if he got there at the right time.
Mr. Gonzalez, before the court, just that's Vonn and you understand the charges?
Yes.
I understand you've been given paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true, sir?
Yes.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
Deputy criminal history?
No history.
Pretrial release, no contact with the alleged victim. Be at the pretrial release office after court,
She wasn't very nice.
16th at 1 o'clock. No contact, no direct, indirect, or third-party contact with the alleged victim. Good luck, sir.
Quick question. How do I get my car keys and my clothes? I
Call the
gotta.
sheriff's office and get one time that's court.
Okay, so I call sheriff, the last one there?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, thank you very much.
Oh, wait.
Go over there. There you go.
Why is it
Brett X, sir.
Oh, look at this guy.
Face the TV and state your name.
Speaking of hair,
Thank you. Which TV? This TV, right?
Mr. Cameron,
Yes, sir.
before the court charge of domestic violence and battery, you understand that charge?
You understand what you're charged with?
Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Seeing you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true?
Yeah.
Been advised of your rights today?
jeez.
Have you been advised of your rights? The right to remain silent.
Yes,
Were you
sir.
given copies of what you were charged with?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, you make too much money to qualify for a public defender. With the law
Ooh,
recognizing
too
financial
much money.
change,
Love that.
reapply later, or you can hire your own attorney to represent yourself.
Too much money.
Yeah, criminal history.
One day I hope to do that
No
too.
history with no tracking.
You know, you made it when you go to jail and they say if you make too much money,
On
for a public defender.
No
They're
contact.
like,
No contact directly, indirectly, or through a third party to the alleged victim. Court date is September 16th at 1 o'clock.
Step to your right. Next.
that hair is serious.
Next.
It's got multiple dimensions,
Yeah, it's like 7.5 foot tall.
Stationary.
and it's coming this way too.
Mr. McNeil, you're before the court charged with leaving the scene of an accident and driving license suspended revoked. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true?
Sir, I didn't hear that.
You've been advised of your rights today?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Notice that thing said
Based on the application finds you do qualify for the service of the public defender's office.
something
I'm
about
going to go ahead
Paisley.
and
She
appoint
just
the public defender
disappeared.
to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
All right.
It was a plant.
On drug
Again?
It's a conspiracy theory. It's Friday the 13th. A before and after shot. See right on our screen right now.
Oh yeah.
After
Nice.
after haircut, before haircut. Oh gee, I must have missed a comment. Sorry about that, kids.
Yeah, you talk way more than we do. I don't get it, but
She has breasts.
our breasts are terrible in comparison.
1598 CF.
Oh, that's them leaving. Thank God. About time. Go say hi to Charlotte for me. Joan's here though. Joan's being good.
What was that? A bird? A pigeon?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I like it.
When trolls leave.
I love it.
All right,
I love birds.
When everybody's heard about the bird. The bird.
1500. Court date's going to be September the 16th at 1 o'clock, and I'm revoking probation or signing a warrant for violation of probation case 24-1598. Good luck, sir.
What was the last part about my probation?
He just violated it.
Violated it.
Step on the 10th.
What about my probation one more time?
State your name, sir.
Joshua.
Strickland, before the court charged with driving under the influence. You understand that charge?
I'm sorry, sir.
You understand what you're charged with?
Stop being
Yes, sir.
jerks, Chatter. I'm gonna
Understand
leave
you've been
like
given copies
that
of
other
paperwork
thing.
and
Dude.
Advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes.
All right. Based on your application, you make too much money to qualify for a public defender, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply later.
Yes,
You
it
also have the
is.
option of hiring your own attorney or represent yourself. Any question about
Yes, sir. I'm just self-employed and I really don't make much money at all. I don't know.
Maybe,
that?
maybe
Well,
might
when
want
you
to get
fill
a
out the
job. Then.
application, you put that you make $800 a week. The number that you put. Not
This
me.
guy's a Nork.
Is that too much? $800 a week?
Based on that, you make too much money.
2,400. That's
That's
over the
incorrect.
2K.
Reapply later.
Okay, thank you.
Deputy, criminal history.
Have a DUI in Colorado in 17 and an intoxication with a firearm, and that's it.
Hey.
Male boobs, Pamela.
Bond set at 10,000.
Julie, thank you. Happy 3 months.
No alcohol. Court date
And
set
look,
at
913.
1
That's
o'clock.
Wow,
Step
I
to
see
your
what you
right.
did there. I like it, Julie.
Next. Wait, next, sir.
Hey, Shotty.
Mr. Hutchinson, before the court charged driving license suspended revoked. You understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Mary.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Based on the application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
Sir.
Thank you, good security.
I don't have an accurate history for him. They gave me the wrong one. I did
All
for
right.
Stephen Hutchison.
Bond's 2,500. Court date's going to be September 16th at 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Step to your right.
Guess it depends.
Sampson.
It's Friday.
Sampson.
Good to go.
Mr. Sampson, you're fully court on a failure to
Sampson!
put an open container on the right of way.
The hell, Sampson? Oh, he's in jail.
At $500.
Locked up.
Your court date is September the 16th at 1 o'clock. You're also before the court on a failure to pay fine or complete court order on a assault to a law enforcement officer, disorderly intoxication charge. You understand that?
Yes.
So you can purge out upon payment of $600 and proof that you completed the anger management, or you can do the ordered sentence of 15 days in the Bay County Jail that Judge Kramer sentenced you to.
I'll take the 15 days.
All right.
Oh, he's taking the vacation.
Step over to you. Wait.
2 weeks plus a day. And he's trying to
like a man that hates his family. I'll take the 15 days.
Next. Red X, sir. State your name.
Leon McLaughlin. Been walking to the court on a existing officer without violence, possessing less than 20 grams of marijuana, tampering with evidence, and conspiracy to trafficking cocaine more than 400 grams. You understand those charges?
400 grams of cocaine? Is that a lot?
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights.
trafficking.
Cocaine down to the ground. Cocaine.
That's enough to get a trafficking charge.
No history.
Resident drug dealer KCC says that's a lot.
And you make too much money to qualify for a public defender. But the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply later. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney to represent yourself. You understand that?
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
All right. On the resisting, bond is $2,500. The marijuana is $2,500. The tampering is $5,000. Conspiracy to traffic is $100,000. And today's court date's going to be October 31st at 9 o'clock.
I like that he held the $100,000 bond
Till the end, yeah.
right there to the end.
Robert, I'm sorry that your life sucks. Maybe we can make it a tiny little bit better. Good to see you, buddy.
Robert, could be worse.
Softball tournament.
Could be us.
What's that? I'm sorry.
Glad you're here.
For a softball tournament.
What? We got hit by a hurricane. We evacuated. I'm sorry.
Your wife said you were here for a softball tournament.
Dad, I thought she said something about softball earlier. The woman that was up there. I thought she said softball something. So that makes sense. So now,
okay, so that's his old lady.
Yeah. So we might be lying here because now he said that they evacuated for the hurricane.
He's saying they evacuated for the hurricane. She says they're here for a softball tournament.
Which one is it?
Hopefully, what position he plays.
Catcher.
I'm sorry, we left for the hurricane, but we are playing softball. Yes, sir. Apologize.
But what?
Got drafted.
Listen, we got to your beautiful city and we said, you know what? Hey, honey, we just left because of the hurricane. Let's go find some softball to go play. There's got to be a tournament somewhere, right?
Yeah. How do you just fall into a softball tournament? Play baseball like a real man.
Was the tournament just on the way, or are you just wanting to make sure I knew that there was a hurricane?
Sir, have you met your wife by any chance?
No, the tournament. We left because of the hurricane, but we are here to play softball. We got picked up to play softball.
None of this makes sense at all. Please keep digging, Judge.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Bullshit. Exactly.
You're going to hire your own attorney or represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
Yes, sir.
Jeff, you criminal history?
Yeah. Mr.
Next, he's he's here to play kickball.
They charge people with that in Louisiana? Wow. Huh. You a Tiger fan?
Yes, sir. Say Alabama. Roll Tide. Sorry.
Roll Tide.
That hurt, didn't it? That hurt bad.
That took everything in me, but
I wouldn't have did it.
Sports.
I had to.
I wouldn't. I don't. You didn't have to.
Paula, thank you for the super late fee. 20
Here's the deal.
We're matching today.
Thank you,
Paul. Thank you. I appreciate that.
If you're late for the next show, please feel free to send another one over.
It's been quite a few months. By the way, I think Unknown Henson down there just ripped a really, really big fart. Do you see how it's sitting there?
I love how he got in. He had to work in his Alabama plug as usual. He's wearing his Alabama shirt. Oh, excuse me.
Sorry about that.
Wife's got a court date Monday afternoon. You've got a court date Monday afternoon. I'm releasing you both on your own recognizance. I'll see you September 16th at 1 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Good
step
luck.
over to the T. Wait.
Brutal.
Next.
I wouldn't have done it either. And I certainly wouldn't say, yeah.
What?
I'm trying to tell you. All money
Did he
ain't
just?
good money.
Did his? I think he needs to be rewound or plugged in.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Oh, Finn already?
Look how time flies when you're having fun and people tell you you suck. Very good time. But the fun doesn't end there, Creed. No, sir, Bob. Is Bob here? No, I guess
No,
not.
it's way too early. Bob stays up very late, by the way. Very
We
late.
can do
Doing drugs or just staying up late? For fun?
I don't know. Just I hope when I'm his age.
Look how flat my hair is. I got a haircut coming up Saturday. This hair is a hot mess.
This is what we call a homeless beard.
I will swamp you. This hair for that beard. This is like 6 months of growing a beard over here that looks like,
Sorry about that.
looks like a child drew it on with one of those Willy Whisker things with the magnets. Don't forget, we got coming up Florida Friday. We got a chase style though at 4:05. There's a premiere happening over on Credence and Mikey at 3 p.m. Eastern. And I thank big thank you to everyone who's already watched our premiere we had at 8 o'clock this morning. Well over 16,000 of you already, and we appreciate that tremendously. Yes. Ricky, what was that? Silver Spoons? Wasn't that one he was on?
Didn't he have a kid's train that went through the house?
Yes. Yeah, and the dad would ride on it all the time. I'm like, wow, he's got it made. My dad wouldn't even let me sit at the table and eat.
1257 State of Arkansas is Chandler Green.
Just
Chandler Green's here, everybody.
Just one for old time's sake. Oh my God! Hair. Holy shit!
Mushroom cap.
Oh my God! What's
Green,
wrong
today's
with you,
hearing is
kid?
being recorded. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, you can make an application for a court-appointed attorney. I have complaints here charging you with falsification.
Hey, yeah, beautiful hair.
Give a copy of those.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you read those to you?
No,
Sue!
Maximum penalty for falsification is 180 days in jail.
Oh.
$1,000 fine.
Throw the book at him.
Maximum penalty for obstruction is 90 days in jail, $750 fine. You have any question about those charges?
No, sir.
Okay. How would you like to plead today?
Not guilty.
You want to say anything before I set your bond?
No, sir.
No offense, Judge George. Where the hell's Stansbury at?
Yes, sir.
I bet he's on vacation.
Who you live there with?
My mom's ex-boyfriend.
I'm shocked.
Oh, whoa, that's
My
creepy.
mom's ex-boyfriend's mom. Sorry.
Hold on.
Wait,
He lives
which one
with his
is?
mom's ex-boyfriend's mom?
But
Are
it's
they
his
banging?
boyfriend.
She lives
His ex.
in Mount Perry.
Mom's ex-boyfriend's mom.
Yeah, she wants me. Did you see him in the back?
Yeah, oh, he's getting loose. There he is.
Like a goose.
That's kind of weird. What? That's... Mom's.
He corrected it and said the boyfriend, the ex-boyfriend. I don't know.
At first, he's saying he was staying with mom's ex-boyfriend, which is also creepy. But we even went one step further with mom's ex-boyfriend's mom.
Sue. Oh, still wish Sue was around. Gentleman in the front has some nice tattoos in the church pew there.
Yeah, he's there for a dog with no license.
Well, obviously, that's all horrible. Huh? Judge George. Really?
No, man, come on.
Time for one here.
There's no way he's done something that big that he needs to do all that reading for. No way.
He's certainly reading through every.
Is the bailiff asleep?
Yes.
I think he is. Let's see.
Nope.
Nope, he's moving now.
He reminds me so much like Scott the engineer.
I'm coming around here because some problems. Never pays me. Oh. Go down here to check the traffic and weather.
That's true. And next time he shows up in the chat, make sure to tell him.
He said he'd come on with us anytime we wanted him.
Is he gonna bring us candy? Or?
I told myself we're not going to do those shitty interviews everybody else has been doing with you. We're going to actually do a good one. So we won't even hardly talk about law. We'll be talking about crazy stuff. About how he used to run a Dungeons and Dragons game in middle school.
Why do I believe that's not something that's made up?
I'm just going out on a limb.
This is why when we went to Licking and we saw Judge George, we just went right away very quickly because of this. It's a perfect example. If
he takes forever for no reason.
If Stansbury was there, it's never like this. I don't understand.
Find out later he's dyslexic and we're just being assholes.
Judge George, I'm sure.
Our first dyslexic judge on the bench in Licking County.
By the way, we've spent hours and hours and hours and hours in this courtroom. And Sue, who I said, those of you who may be new around here, she was the one that brought everybody up to the podium, up to Randy's podium. And her last day, and listen, we had no contact with them. We watched Licking a lot.
But here's the thing. We were the first court channel that put Licking up on a channel. Nobody had ever watched. There was no videos up for Licking before.
Well, she was kind of doing her little very quick goodbye speech with Judge Stansbury. By the way, she always got along really, really well. We always laughed about this with Judge Stansbury. They would talk back and forth. They had little jokes.
I'll release you on your own recognizance.
All that for that? Are
all
you
that for that?
You need a court-appointed attorney to get that application.
Judge George, amazing, absolutely amazing, Judge George. So anyway, but when she's on with Judge George, she's just like, okay, yeah, all the right. I mean, there's no back and forth.
You wouldn't see her at all.
Barely ever. She wouldn't even say goodbye. Like at the end when they switch over to the people that haven't paid dog licenses. Anyways, she made us cry.
She said goodbye to us, which was amazing. I can't believe
we caught it live. We caught it live. Here's another thing with Licking. After it's not there. They don't save nothing.
And it's on all the time, so you don't know when to go live.
So thank God we caught that. We caught Sue. And every time that Sue would go, oh my
goodness. We got to listen to this guy.
Oh, what the
easy.
Well, he's perfect. He's a perfect one for Friday the 13th. Jesus Christ, making my skin crawl.
Oh my.
Next matter is 24 CRB 1258, State of Office J. Justice. Mr. Justice, today's hearing is being recorded. Anything
J. Justice is his name?
Attorney, if you cannot afford one, you can make an application for court-appointed attorney. I have complaints here charging with falsification, obstruction, and resisting. Did you receive a copy of those?
Yes, I did, sir.
Do you need me to read those to you?
No, sir.
Maximum penalty for falsification is 180 days in jail, $1,000 fine. Maximum penalty for resisting and obstruction is 90 days in jail, $750 fine. Do you have any question about the charges?
No, sir.
How would you like to plead today?
Not guilty.
Want to say anything before I set your bond?
Yes, I do. I just got a job recently, sir, and I really, truly need to get on. I don't have any money for, to get out on my own at this point. Plus, I'm going to rehab center because I had a little bit of trouble with drugs. I really just need to get an OR bond though, because I just started this job like 2 days ago.
Where is it?
At Ollie's on 21st Street.
Ollie's.
Where you live?
Done dirt. What?
Something cheap. At my mother's house, part-time. It's 14501.
He's playing the part of Ollie at Ollie.
The bobblehead.
Yes, sir. That's out by Staddens Bridge. And I really, truly, I will be at the court date though. I promise you. I really just don't want to lose this job. And
that's
plus
what
I'm going to
good
rehab
stuff,
center.
cheap.
I'm trying to get my life back. I got my license renewed. And I really, truly need it.
I can see that, Candace.
I truly do.
True.
I will be at the court date though. I swear to you. I got my license renewed, everything. I'm on the right track for the first time in a while. And I beg you for this. I really do. I just don't have any money personally at this time for a bond to pay if you were to set one. So I just want to say I would really, really,
Jeez, calm down, back up.
I will be at the court date, I swear. I mean, I absolutely swear I will.
I mean, unless I get really high,
You can
and
trust me on that.
maybe Ollie needs me that day. I don't know.
You
Anybody trusting him? He needs trust.
I have not missed a court date in a long time anyway.
In a long time, I haven't missed
It's been a
one.
long time.
I will be there.
I'm over that shit.
I had hair the last time I missed court.
I believe everything he says.
He's going to hit him with it. He's going to give him the OR.
I don't know. We've got 10, 15 minutes here to
I give you my word that I'll be there. I really will.
I love you. Oh, no, easy.
Oops, sorry. Wrong place.
Come on. Trust me.
Take your time, Judge.
Please, Your Honor.
Let him wear himself up.
Please.
Well, that was quick.
I'll release you on the condition you don't return to 1510 West Church Street. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You know where that is?
Yes, I do.
All right.
It's the Ollies. Yes, I won't return there.
Congratulations. Wouldn't that be funny if it was? I had to take it down because if we see another, we're going to be
Yeah,
right
we see another person come sashaying out there, it will not turn out well.
That's for sure. I'm going to say thank you to everybody, and he's still going on about something.
And don't forget about Slap Fight tomorrow night.
Yeah, Saturday, 8
Slap
o'clock.
Fight Saturday.
The Lucky 13 Express, Jeff, number 1 today. First one to give us money on a Friday. I love that.
Numero uno.
Higgy, welcome. Bruno with the Cash App for Mikey's birthday. Tiny Piggy, Bruno again. Joey, bag of gifts. Julie and Paula with a massive late fee.
Huge, setting a precedence for all late fees that will come after it. So we're pretty excited about that. Guys, if you're new here, please be sure to say hello. This is what you get when you enjoy our live community chat. That's right. The world's most dangerous chat. You got it. And by the way, there's a new World's Most Dangerous Chat merch.
Oh,
in the merch store. So make sure you get that. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Holy shit.
Just like licking. Until we see you again, hopefully we see you tonight. Don't forget, members only on Credence and Mikey. There will be bowling. Stay safe, stay hard, stay tuned. Because you never know what's next. Like that guy's mug.